happy birthday भैया. It may be your 35th birthday, but you have always been a kid at heart. You've always been passionate about everything, be it arguing with Sanket on WhatsApp group or carrying on your ancestral fights with Ankit Shah. You've always been very passionate, and there has always been only one winner. It's always you, my friend. You have a great day, have a blast, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Take care.
Hello, happy birthday. I'm not doing this with Vatsal because you and me have a separate bond, so this goes out for you. 35, the perfect fulcrum of half youth and half responsibility. Definitely responsibility filled by Eminem in your life now. I think it's time that you stop now looking for inspiration and go on to inspire others. Something that you're quite capable of. Have a crazy day and wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday
to
Rambo.
again. Happy
Birthday to Rambo.
to Rambo. Yay!
Happy birthday, Ram. Known you since school, obviously, but have been, I think, the closest to you since our snooker days, which was almost 20 years ago. तब से लेके आज तक अब तेरी सारी सीक्रेट्स ऑब्वियसली मुझे पता है, और उसकी स्टोरीज भी अपन ने बहुत शेयर की है एक दूसरे के साथ. सो आई मीन देयर इज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्ट we both have. Being a fellow Sagittarian, I really like how emotional you are and how straight from the heart you speak. I would say one thing for our group, you are the heartbeat of our group. If you are not there, believe me, the group is dead. So take it as a great pride that you are the one who actually connects all of us and keeps everyone to their toes and makes sure that each and everyone acts and behaves properly. Though behave is Sanket ka dialogue, but you are the one who makes sure that everyone responds, everyone is responsible towards this group as well, and that's the best thing. What I really would want to share is I think you are the biggest जुगाड़ू in this planet. तो अगर मेरी बहुत बड़ी कोई कंपनी होती, मैं आई वुड हैव मेड यू लाइक अ चीफ जुगाड़ ऑफिसर एंड वुड हैव कंसल्टेड यू फॉर ऑल काइंड ऑफ जुगाड़ पॉसिबल. सो दैट इज योर स्ट्रेंथ. यू आर super fast with your methods, calculations, everything, and that's amazing. Use it for your good. Then your sense of humor, outstanding, and your command on language, very outstanding. So more fun when we meet you on your birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, बड़ा हो गया तू.
Hey, creepy! Happy birthday. How old are you now? 22, 23?
Happy birthday, princess. This is your special day.
So 35 years, Ram. A great milestone. I was just working a number and I realized that it's been 91.5% of my life I have known you. And the beauty is that it's going to only increase every passing year. So I think today it's a good time to probably talk about 3 of your strongest qualities. And because it's your birthday, I will not talk about the negative list because I can really make a long one over there. But nevertheless, I think let's talk about the positives. So I think I will put 3 points which are your key things which as a friend I can say. I think one is that you are extremely reliable. So loyal and reliable to a friend. So I think a friend can depend on you or rely on you at any point. I think the second point I would say is that you are extremely jovial and fun-loving guy. So with you in the room, no one is going to be not laughing for more than 3 to 4 minutes. I think then you will ensure that everyone is laughing and having a good time. And I think the third point which I will say is that I think you're extremely intelligent. While you may choose to use your intelligence to your areas of interest, but the point being that you are extremely intelligent, and I will definitely say that.
Okay, so happy birthday, Ram. We love you very much. So one thing I would just absolutely love, and I always tell that Sanket, this is a great quality of Ram, is that you are one friend that anybody can really count on. Like, I really can count on you for any kind of, like, if I need your help, like in the middle of the night, I'm sure you're always gonna be around. You are just always one call away or one message away from helping, and you give your best advice, the best knowledge, everything you know, you will put it out there. So it's so beneficial, as a friend, to have such a wonderful friend that you can count on and is always there for you. So that's like the best kind of friendship, and you always have that to offer. So we really love you. Have a great birthday. And we are birthday partners, so you can say same to you. So, all right, have a great birthday and see you.
Oh, I'm back, and it's 6th December, so it's favorite day of Sanket also, because all his troubles are born on 6th December. So on that note, wish you a very happy birthday, Niyati, from all of us. Have a blast in your nuclear blast proof tunnel at your home, and hopefully Sanket allows you to watch this message, because I am wearing a proper mask and I am away from you. So have a great day, and we'll see you soon in 2022. Take care.